Question: check whether 5 minus 2, 6 comma 4 and 7 comma minus 2 are the vertices of isosceles triangle. So I already explained what is meant by the isosceles triangle. If any two sides are equal, then the triangle is the isosceles. So here we draw a diagram, simple diagram. Okay, this is of your A, B and C. Having coordinate 5 comma minus 2, 6 comma 4 and 7 comma minus 2. So first of all, we find all three distance. So first we find the distance AB. AB is equals to, formula you know very well, x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. This is the formula. Now we put the values. तो AB कंसीडर करना है, तो AB मींस क्या हो गया, ये हो गया x1 y1 और B के कोऑर्डिनेट को बोलेंगे x2 y2. Got it? Means A के कोऑर्डिनेट x1 y1 and B having the coordinate x2 y2. फॉर्मूले के हिसाब से x1 minus x2 whole square, x1 means 5 minus x2 means 6 whole square plus of y1 means minus 2 minus of y2 means 4 and its square. Therefore 5 minus 6 means minus 1 whole square plus of minus 2 minus 4, this become minus 6 whole square, minus or minus का addition, so minus 6 whole square. Therefore we get here minus 1 का square plus 1 and minus 6 का square 36 plus 36, because the square of minus is always plus, that is of equals to square root of 37. This is of equation number 1. Got it? इतना समझ गए? Now we can find AB तो फाइंड आउट कर लिया हमने, अब हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे BC. क्या फाइंड आउट करेंगे हम लोग? BC. And for BC we can consider here BC is equals to, formula आपके पास है, which is that formula x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. तो अभी हम B को क्या कंसीडर करेंगे? x1 y1. B को हमने कंसीडर किया x1 y1 और C को कंसीडर किया हमने x2 y2. Now we put the value x1 minus x2 whole square. तो x1 क्या हो गया 6, x2 क्या हो गया 7. तो 6 minus 7 whole square plus of y1 minus y2 means 4 minus of minus 2 whole square. Got it? Therefore, so BC is equals to square root of 6 minus 7, that is minus 1 और minus 1 का square हो गया plus 1 plus of 4 minus of minus 2 is plus 2 and 4 plus 2 means 6 और 6 का square कितना 36. 6 का square कितना 36. Therefore BC is equals to 37, root 37. This is of equation number 2. इतना समझ गए हम लोग? अब हम क्या करेंगे? AC फाइंड आउट करेंगे. AB तो हमने फाइंड आउट कर लिया, BC भी हमने फाइंड आउट किया, तो अभी बचा कौन हमारे पास? थर्ड, दैट इज AC. AC के लिए सेम फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे, x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. अभी हमारा A जो रहेगा वो रहेगा x1 y1 और C जो रहेगा वो रहेगा x2 y2. Therefore x1 minus x2 means 5 minus 7 whole square plus of minus 2 minus of minus 2 whole square. Got it? x1 minus x2 whole square, x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Therefore we get here 5 minus 7 means minus 2 और minus 2 का square कितना plus 4, minus 2 and plus 2 become 0, क्योंकि यहाँ पे plus 2 आएगा और ये है minus 2, it becomes 0, तो 0 हो जाएगा यहाँ पर. Means what we will get here is equals to square root of 4 and square root of 4 means क्या मिलेगा 2. This is of equation number 2. So from equation 1 and 2, from 1, 2 and 3, what we can write AB is equals to BC, क्योंकि AB का वैल्यू आ गया √37, BC का वैल्यू आ गया √37, तो ये दोनों केसेस में AB is equals to BC है, therefore ABC are vertices of isosceles triangle. Understood? Now next question, name the type of quadrilateral. आपको quadrilateral का type ढूंढना है. So different type of the quadrilateral we have. So here we simple consider the diagram. One diagram we consider simple diagram. Quadrilateral A, B, C and D. A having the coordinate. क्या coordinate है का? -1, -2. B 1, 0. C -1, 2. And the D having coordinate -3, 0. Okay, so here for the quadrilateral we must do the sides of the quadrilateral. Okay, sides of the quadrilateral. So first we find the distance AB, distance BC, distance CD and distance AD, as well as distance AC and distance BD also. Because if all the four sides are equal and diagonals are equal, then it is a square. If four sides are equal, then the quadrilateral is a rhombus. If opposite sides are equal and diagonals are equal, then it is a rectangle. And if only the opposite sides are equal, then it is a parallelogram. So here we can find first AB. तो हम लोग one by one find out करेंगे. First we find AB. So AB is equals to formula आपके पास है. And that formula is x1 minus x2 whole square plus of y1 minus y2 whole square. Now we put the values. अब मैं डायरेक्टली यहाँ पे वैल्यू पुट अप कर रहा हूँ. देखो चेक करो. x1 minus x2 whole square, y1 minus y2 whole square. a b लेना है तो a को कंसीडर करेंगे x1 y1, b को कंसीडर करेंगे x2 y2. तो here what we will get -1 whole square. आप समझ जाइए. -2 -0 whole square. Got it? That is of equals to what we will get. नीचे लिखते हैं. Is equals to we get here minus of minus addition होगा यहाँ पे. So -2 का square plus 4. Here plus of -2 का square कितना plus 4 and that is of equals to square root of -8 plus 4 कितना 8. This is of equation number 1. ये मिल गया हमको किसका वैल्यू AB का वैल्यू. Similarly we can find the value of BC. So BC is equals to square root of, अब B को लेंगे हम लोग x1 y1 और C को लेंगे x2 y2. So this become x1 y1 and this become x2 y2. इसको मैंने क्या बोला x1 y1 और इसको क्या बोला x2 y2. तो x1 y1 मींस क्या 1 minus of -1 whole square plus of 0 -2 whole square. 0 -2 whole square. Understood? That is of equals to square root of minus of minus means plus. So 1 plus 1 2. 2 का square कितना 4. डायरेक्टली लिखा मैंने. Here 0 -2 means -2 और -2 का square कितना plus 4 and that is of equals to 4 plus 4 we get here कितना 8. This is of equation number 2. Understood? Now AB find out किया हमने, BC भी find out किया. अब हम find out करेंगे CD. So CD is equals to formula वही लगेगा x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So by using that formula we can find CD. CD find out करने के लिए C को हम consider करेंगे x1 y1 and D is the x2 y2. So x1 minus x2 whole square means -1 minus of -3. Got it? And its square. ये आ गया plus 2 minus 0 whole square. 2 minus 0 whole square. That is of equals to. Now see here. What we will get? -1 minus minus plus. So -1 plus 3 is plus 2. So 2 का square plus here 2 का square. So 2 square plus 2 square that is 4 plus 4 and 4 plus 4 is equals to square root of 8. This is of equation number 3. Similarly, we can find AD. अब बचा हमारा AB हो गया, BC हो गया, CD हो गया. अब बचेगा हमारा AD. So AD is equals to formula, same formula we apply. So here we consider x1 y1 x2 y2 या फिर x1 y1 x2 y2 कोई भी कंसीडर करो, फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. So x1 y1 x2 y2 means x1 minus x2 whole square plus of y1 minus y2 whole square. Got it? So that is of equals to, see here, minus 3, minus of minus plus, so minus 3 plus 1 minus 2, minus 2 square plus of minus plus, so 2 square. Here 2 square means 4 and again 2 square means 4 and that is of equals to square root of 8. Okay, so from equation 1 2 3 4 we get root 8 root 8 root 8 root 8 means all the four sides are equal. So maybe this is the square. अभी तो हमने यहाँ पे rhombus बोला है, मगर maybe this is the square and for that we must find AC and BD. So here we find AC. AC find out करने के लिए फॉर्मूला वही लगेगा, x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So AC के लिए A is considered as x1 y1 and C is considered as x2 y2. So x1 minus x2 whole square, see, x1 minus x2 whole square minus 1 minus of minus 1 whole square. Got it? ध्यान में आ गया, minus 1 minus of minus 1 whole square plus of here minus 2, got it, and minus of this 2 whole square. Understood? So that is of equals to square root of what we will get, minus of minus means plus, minus 1 plus 1 0, minus 2 minus 4 and minus 4 and its square. So that is of equals to plus 16 क्योंकि माइनस का स्क्वायर प्लस हो गया and 16 is nothing but the 4. Equation number 5. Similarly, we can find BD. क्या फाइंड आउट करेंगे? BD. So BD is equals to B को x1 y1 और D को x2 y2. So here 1 BD is equals to 1 minus of minus 3 and its square plus of 0 minus 0 whole square and that is of equals to what we will get, see, minus of minus means plus, so 1 plus 3 means 4 and its square और ये तो 0 ही हो जाएगा आपका, 4 का square means 16 root 16 and root 16 is nothing but the 4. Equation number 6. So from equation 1 2 3 4, from 1 2 3 and 4, what we get here, AB is equals to BC is equals to CD is equals to AD. ये एक मिला आपको, means all the four sides are equal and from equation 5 and 6, what we write here, from equation 5 and 6, what we will write, AC is equals to BD. It means that all four sides are equal and diagonals are also equal, therefore the quadrilateral is square. क्या मिलेगा ये? Therefore quadrilateral is a square. क्या होगा ये? Quadrilateral is a square. Now next question, find the point on x-axis. This x-axis is the important one. So naturally this is of your x-axis and this is of your y-axis, which is equidistance from 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5, positive and negative. So naturally, this point lies in the fourth quadrant. यहाँ पे रहेगा point 2 minus 5. Okay? And minus to 9. Minus to 9 means second quadrant. Minus 2 and 9. अब point कहाँ पे है? X-axis पे है. So this is of your point P. Got it? अब पॉइंट भी एक्स एक्सिस पे है तो इसके कोऑर्डिनेट रहेंगे x, 0 because as the point lies on x axis its y coordinate is 0 and point lies on the y axis its x coordinate 0. Okay, सेम प्रॉब्लम, यदि यहाँ पे x एक्सिस के जगह पे यदि y एक्सिस होता तो हमने p के कोऑर्डिनेट क्या कंसीडर किए होते? 0, y। क्या कंसीडर करना पड़ता? 0, y, क्योंकि दैट पॉइंट लाइज ऑन द y एक्सिस। हियर दिस पॉइंट लाइज ऑन द x एक्सिस, देयरफॉर this point is on x axis, it means its y coordinate is 0, so we write as let p x comma 0 point on the x axis, on the x axis। कहां पे है ये पॉइंट? x axis पे है, which is equidistance from this point and this point। equidistance है, इसका मतलब ये डिस्टेंस और ये डिस्टेंस दोनों सेम है। x axis which is equidistance from a, that is plus 2 comma 5 minus 5, and b कौन सा होगा? -2 comma 9। so P is equidistance from A and B, it means that PA is equals to PB। क्या लेंगे हम लोग? PA is equals to PB। PA is equals to क्या? PB। चलो PA का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे। Here x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square is equals to PB का फॉर्मूला यहाँ पर x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square। Now we put all this value, so by putting all the value what we will get? See everyone, we get here x1 minus x2, तो यहाँ पे हमने इसको x1 y1 बोला और इसको x2 y2 बोला। PA ले रहे हैं हम लोग, so P के कोऑर्डिनेट को x1 y1 और A के कोऑर्डिनेट को x2 y2, so x minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus of -5 whole square is equals to, here PB means ये दो लेंगे कोऑर्डिनेट x1 y1 x2 y2, so x minus of -2 whole square plus of 0 minus 9 whole square। okay, now we don't want this square root, तो यहाँ पे करेंगे हम लोग स्क्वायरिंग। तो स्क्वायरिंग किया हमने, squaring on both sides, then what we will get? Here x minus 2 whole square plus of minus means plus 5 का square is equals to, here x minus of minus means plus, so x plus 2 whole square plus of 9 minus 9 का square, here minus 9 and its square, got it? So here x minus 2 whole square, so this we apply the formula a minus b whole square। a minus b whole square means a square, okay, minus 2ab and a 4x plus b square means plus 4। समझ गए? a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square plus of 5 का square means 25 is equals to, here x plus 2 whole square, formula same formula, a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, and minus 9 का square means plus 81। this x square and x square get cancel, okay, x को एक साइड में रखेंगे, y को एक साइड में, minus 4x, this 4x shifted on left hand side, so it become minus 4x is equals to 81 plus 4 85 मिल गया। 81 प्लस 4 कितना मिलेगा? 85, और यहाँ पे 25 प्लस 4 29, और ये हो जाएगा -29। कितना ध्यान में आ गया? या फिर ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं हम लोग, ये 4 भी कैंसिल कर सकते हैं, तो ये और इजी हो जाएगा अपना 81 minus 25। अंडरस्टूड? -4 and -4 -8x is equals to 11 minus 5 6, 11 minus 5 6, 7 minus 2 5, 7 minus 2 5, so x is equals to 56 minus of under divided by -8, so 8 का टेबल 8 7 जा है ना, तो what we will get, x is equals to -7. So what is the coordinate of p? Therefore p का coordinate, x coordinate क्या रहेगा, -7, 0. So this is the point which is equidistant from A and B.